Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. That image you saw just now behind me of a little girl on a bicycle not just captures the image of the empowerment of the girl child across India, it also, we believed, perfectly captures the spirit of a state that both dared and hoped this year, a year in which many of us lost faith in our politics, was a year in which one politician actually redefined the paradigm of politics in his own state. And what's more, he did this in a quiet, understated way, sans rhetoric, sans screaming headlines, just quietly working away, lifting his state from the shadow of what was once known as the Bimaru states of India and allowing Bihar to move into the future of India. Alongside, he also found time to take a rickshaw ride to catch a screening of The Three Idiots. But as he told us last year, he wouldn't go looking for Three Idiots in politics because he'd need that film's name to be changed and have many more numbers than 3. It's time now to announce our first award. And yes, we do believe that with all the questions raised about our democracy, we still have to give credit to our politicians where it's due. Our politician of the year, before I announce it, can I call Pranoy back on stage, is of course Bihar's Chief Minister, Nitish Kumar.
I'm afraid I don't normally do this, but I have to admit an inner bias that I have. I do admire Nitish deeply. So if my questions are a little soft, I guess a lot of you do. Do you? So if my questions are a little soft, just ask me to ask a tougher question. First question I want to ask you is about those bicycles that Barkha referred to, and we showed us how many millions of girls have got bicycles in Bihar. You gave the families 2,000 rupees in cash to buy a bicycle for their daughter. Why did you give cash? Why not just give them a bicycle? Because you never know how they'll spend that cash.
I think if we had distributed bicycles to girls, then you would not have given me any award. In that case, Bihar would have been discarded for any bicycle scam.
Sorry?
Bicycle scam.
Oh,
cycle scam.
If you had given bicycles, there would have been a bicycle scam.
Nobody knows who makes money. So there was proposal before me. It was brought by department, Human Resource Department, that we should purchase bicycle in bulk and distribute it to the girls. I told them, look, you don't do it. And you give money to the girls, they will buy cycles. Then they asked me, we have already, called for tenders and everything. So, what is the lowest rate? They told that it is 1,840 rupees. Then I decided they should give rupees 2,000 to every girl. And it's 92% is the success rate.
92.
92%.
92% have used that money for buying bicycles. It's a very important lesson,
and
actually,
I am in
cash
favor of
transfer.
direct cash transfer. And it is very successful scheme.
Now, what they say is, this is one example, what happens, they used to say about Calcutta and Bengal, what Bengal does today, India does tomorrow. Now they're saying that about Bihar, because they're thinking about cash transfers from the center also. You would support that, cash transfer?
Yes, of course, I am for it.
But, so if you had ordered 1 million bicycles to distribute, what would have happened?
Everywhere you would have faced demonstrations with broken bicycles.
At your rallies, they would have come,
Yeah,
girls
of
would have
course.
come. But it is
and
the
now
most...
it's a different side.
when I was covering the elections in Bihar this time, it is the most empowering feeling to see girls riding bicycles without fear of law and order. Now, how did you solve that biggest problem of Bihar, law and order?
Yes, you can tackle this with a strong will. And the police is now free to investigate, number one. And they have to produce the witness. Sometimes even government witness did not turn up on time. So it's now mandatory. Every government witness has to appear in the court on due date. Only one date can be given due to various reasons. And now, not only speedy trial, regular trials are also taking place. And more than 55,000 criminals have been convicted by now.
So have you faced any threats from them for
No,
getting
not
tough?
at all.
No threats?
Everybody has to go sometime.
So would you advise Mr. Chidambaram, the Home Minister sitting here, to do the same thing?
Chidambaram Sahab is doing a great job. He has so many difficulties. Actually, state governments has to do on these fronts. He can only support us, give us resources and so many things. So Government of India is doing for modernization of police force and so many things. There are interstate issues and he takes keen interest.
So you're giving him a good chit.
Good.
Can I just ask
We
you,
might have certain differences of opinion in approach and emphasis. That is different thing. But so far as Chidambaram Sahab is concerned, nobody can doubt his determination, his zeal, and his willpower to tackle any problem. He takes anybody head on.
Unfortunately, he takes the media head on also. Which is
That I don't know.
Can I just ask you, you are, I know from years of knowing you, a most secular man. You have secularism in your bones. But you're allied with a party where some people, again not the whole party, but some people are not. Does it make you uncomfortable at all?
In Bihar, we don't find any problem.
But when you reach out to the rest of India,
I
and there
don't
are certain
require
names-
to reach out to rest of India. I have
One day?
confined myself to Bihar. And
Forever?
people of Bihar have given us mandate to govern there. You know, when
I
we
see
were...
Mr. Modi here also.
Yeah, of course.
Again,
we are working together.
very
There is
closely.
no problem at all.
No problem at all.
No problem.
Right. So when is the NDA going to win the next election? Are you going to lead it?
I can't do... No. What are you... Please pardon?
Many people are saying that Nitish should lead the NDA to revive it.
No, I am not capable. I am not.
Not capable.
Yes.
Would anybody agree with that?
I don't
think so. I don't think so.
think myself.
So now the future for Nitish Kumar. Do you ever think about that?
What is the future of Bihar is my future.
But
I have to serve Bihar, people of Bihar. If Bihar progresses, it can contribute to the overall progress of the country. You know, unless backward states like Bihar progresses, how can you think that country will progress? So I am doing the service to nation, to having myself focused to the service of Bihar.
Lal will be very worried to hear that actually, because he is hoping that you may go to the center and leave a little space. No chance? Last question. If it so happened, the forces, you never know in politics and in life, the stars fall in a way that, a pattern that gives you the option of being Prime Minister, would you consider it?
Why are you discussing
Serious
hypothetical
question.
things?
Serious question.
No, how can it be a serious thing? Me as Prime Minister. It's
You
most non-serious thing.
No, because you did say that to be a Prime Minister, you should be first a Chief Minister. Now you've been Chief Minister.
No, I have advised somebody else.
You advise somebody else.
I advised somebody else.
So, you being Prime Minister is a non-serious...
It's non-serious thing.
I don't think anybody agrees. But anyway, thank you very much for being with us tonight. Thank you very much indeed.